We thought we were simply catching a tram across Carnival's newly upgraded RelaxAway at Half Moon Cay, but we accidentally got a tour that most cruisers never receive. We recently returned from Carnival's newly expanded and upgraded RelaxAway at Half Moon Cay. It's a 2,400-acre island in the Bahamas with beaches, natural areas, and activities spread across a much larger area than most cruise passengers will ever see. On our Carnival sunrise sailing, the new pier allowed us to walk directly off the ship and onto the island instead of taking the old tender. From there, the new tram system helps guests reach different areas and stops throughout RelaxAway. The upgrades include expanded beachfronts, new areas, food and drink venues, tram services designed to make getting around a lot easier. But what we didn't realize is that most tram drivers don't say anything on the entire tram ride. Or if they do, they say a few things at the beginning when you're stepping onto the tram, like where they're going or what stops they're going to make, but you don't get a full on 5-minute tour from the tram driver, someone who is there every day telling you about all the amenities at every single stop. But somehow we got lucky on our very first tram ride, and that's exactly what we got, the best tram driver at RelaxAway at Half Moon Cay. Now, you might not get this when you arrive at RelaxAway at Half Moon Cay, but lucky for you, I recorded the entire thing. So why don't you sit back, relax, and enjoy this tram ride through RelaxAway at Half Moon Cay. Let's cruise in.
Alright, you're about to come upon the mountain top ocean view. So you can see the whole entire Half Moon Cay shape. Alright, the north side is where you're at. The south side is closed down. It's no longer no more. They're renovating the south side. So those of y'all that used to come here before July and June, you would have been on the south side. That is no longer available for you. The north side is the grand opening. We're celebrating 1 month and 3 days in. Alright, so you'll see all the beaches, yellow flags are up. That means the water's a little choppy. Alright, the first three beaches is not your concern. You're on the yellow line, so you're guava and avocado. But I'm going to still tell you about each beach. First one being Mango, which you're passing now. Brown and white umbrella, that's Mango Beach. So throughout the day, if you end up beach hopping and you end up to Mango Beach, just know that there's nothing available at this beach besides the umbrellas and the ocean itself. Alright, there's no shopping, no drinking, nothing is available for you here. So if you want a peace of mind and want to be close to the ship, Mango is your beach. Other than that, we're going to keep trucking. Every last entire beach from this point on has a bar, has a shopping area, life jackets, floaties to get into the water, water sports toys that will be held at Guava, kayaking, canoe, and catamaran and surfboarding will be at Guava, bicycling also in the water at Guava. All right. This beach we're passing now is called Lime Beach. Lime Beach is the green and white umbrella. All right. The trick of this key is remember to pull up your umbrella what beach you're at. If you cannot remember the name, do not hurt your head. If your loved ones is at a different beach and you don't know what beach to tell them you're at, look at the color of your umbrella. Make it easier for the driver and yourself. Alright, so Lime Beach is consists of little tiki bar and also a shopping area. Each and every beach from here on out has a bar and a shopping area. Alright, so we're exiting Lime Beach and we're entering into Pineapple Beach. Pineapple Beach is the blue and white umbrellas. Blue and white umbrellas, if you have a clamshell ticket or a cabana ticket for Pineapple, you're on the wrong line. You're supposed to be on the green line. Clamshells are only at Pineapple. You will get with guest services, and guest services will be the guys in the blue and white shirt, somewhat similar to my shirt. Alright, now you'll notice white umbrellas on each beach at the right, at the sidewalk by the road. Those are your smoking areas. Do not smoke anywhere else but those white umbrellas. Now you notice red and white umbrellas. This is called Guava Beach. This is our biggest beach on this entire key. This is also where you will be eating your lunch today from 11:30 to 1:30 p.m. The only cafeteria available for Carnival right now. Alright? Also, you would have your day bed at this beach. You get the guest services if you want to purchase a day bed. Other than that, the umbrellas are free, first come, first serve. And if you have a medical issue throughout this day, you will be at this hospital right here, the Bailey Building, what I look up called ambulance. This is the hospital right here at Guava. So, we're going to bypass Guava for now, and we're going to continue this tour. There we go. So, again, you will see the day badge to your right hand side. Those would be at guest services. You would rent one of those. All right. So we're exiting out of Guava territory now, and we're entering into our horse stable territory. If you notice that Guava, look to your right, you'll see the people that is swimming by the buoy. You notice they ain't no one in this area. There's off limits for you to swim in this area. Reason being is the horses goes in the water. So they take the horse in the water. You cannot swim with the horses. That's a no-no. It's off limits. All right? Now, horse stable to your left. So you will see them going on tour throughout the day. Notice avocado right here in the water. You see where they stop swimming. Everything else is off limits beyond the buoy. All right? That's horse stable, water. All right? Now you are the avocado. For those of y'all that picked avocado, yellow and white umbrella. Again, I can tell you, remember the color of your umbrella. Your loved ones tend to journey off and explore different beaches. All right? It's not a headache. The key is very smart. You cannot get lost. No one is to get leave on this key. We circle these trams the entire day until that ship leaves. So if you go in the bush and you talking about staying here, 1.5, ain't no hotel here, ain't no ATM, and ain't no airport. So you will sleep in the bush. All right? There we go. Now, avocado people, once they come to a stop, you're welcome to offload the truck.
I hope you enjoyed riding along with us and got a better feel for RelaxAway at Half Moon Cay from an employee perspective. If you're planning a visit, be sure to subscribe because I'll be sharing a complete tour and honest review of RelaxAway at Half Moon Cay, including what we loved, what surprised us, and what you should know before you visit. If you've already visited RelaxAway at Half Moon Cay, I'd love to hear from you. Did your tram driver give you a narrated tour like ours, or was it simply a ride across the island? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, I'd really appreciate it if you gave it a thumbs up. It helps more cruise travelers find Cruise on Demand and lets YouTube know that you'd like to see more content like this. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time, keep on cruising.